What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Now, the whole crypto market is going crazy. So right now, we're going to go over Dogecoin and exactly what's going on inside of Dogecoin, because there's a lot of stuff going on in Dogecoin. Let's be honest. Everything's going crazy right now, from Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Baby Doge. Everything's really going crazy right now. So we're really going to go over all of this. And yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. And also, please hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section for some suggestions, what you want me to go over next. I'll definitely go over anything you need me to go over. And also, if you want to support the channel, definitely check out the PayPal link in the description or the Cash App link and send over a donation if you want. But if not, just hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps me out a lot. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and all that. And if you're wondering what all this is on my screen, this is actually an add-on to TradingView, and you can use it yourself. There's also a link in the description for Vital Algo. So if you actually want to use Vital Algo, definitely check that out. It is actually a subscription-based platform. So it's pretty much an add-on onto TradingView. I'm going to do a whole video on it, and that's where you're seeing these uptrends and downtrends. It does it for you automatically. So I'm going to do a whole video on it and how to actually use it, because it's actually going to be very useful for all of you if you want to get in on the best long positions as possible, because I know a lot of you want to hold Dogecoin for the long term, or if you're just trading Dogecoin, you want to do short positions. So either way, it's actually good for you to use either way. So yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, another financial advice. Let's get straight to it right now. So I want to go all the way back here to yesterday. So yesterday we started the day off huge and we ended it huge. So look, all right, so this right here is around fourth where we were at, and we started to go on a downtrend. And a lot of people thought Dogecoin was about to go all the way down from there. They thought we are going all the way down to 20 cents, but no, that's not actually what happened here. Actually, if you look over here, what was happening, we did go on a slight downtrend here, and right here was a good chance of the reversal, as you can see. And this is part of the Vital Algo I was actually talking about. It tells you exactly when you want to get in and when you want to get out. If you were getting in on a long position, right here is exactly when you wanted to get in on that long position, right at this red candlestick. So as you can see, the second this starts to go up, boom, Dogecoin just started to go crazy right here. And yeah, if you actually were doing a short position, then you probably would have wanted to, maybe sell somewhere around here in this area, and then we start to go up some more here with Dogecoin. And as you can see, Dogecoin just started to keep pumping up from there. So yeah, there's a lot going on here inside of Dogecoin, and now we're all the way up here. But I do want to say right here, we're probably about to be followed by a downtrend here, because look at all of this growth right here. The next candlesticks are probably going to be forming up just like this. So they're going to be forming downwards a little bit. So we're probably going to be on another downtrend. So yeah, Vital Algo will definitely help you with this, and you can get it 25% off if you want to use that. But if not, that's cool too. But let's keep going with this video, because as you can see, Dogecoin is doing some good numbers right here. But anyways, I do want to say this. Dogecoin is shooting up here to this next resistance level right up here around 26 cents, right? But we're probably going to end up getting there and then retracing a little bit back down like we did back here. So the second we got all of this out of this resistance here, we popped out, then we started retracing a little bit. But now we're going crazy again, almost reaching here to this 26-cent resistance. So everything inside the crypto market is literally going crazy right now. But anyways, I want to go over something else. So let's go ahead and back out of here, and let's go over this right here. So Dogecoin right now up 29.28% in the last 7 days. That's huge. 16.66% in the last 24 hours. We're back at 32 billion market cap, but now we're finally back at rank 8. So yeah, we're back in the apes of the ranks. So anyways, let's go over here and compare and contrast. So can Dogecoin reach $10? I definitely believe it will reach $10. First, we got to pass $1, obviously, but then, $10, that's more a few years down the road. That's not like this year. It's not like it next year. It'd be more a few years down the road, right? So anyways, yes, Dogecoin can reach $10. That is what Yahoo Finance is saying themselves, as you can see here. However, there is one problem, they say. A sufficient amount of money should be put into Dogecoin to get the meme coin to the $10 level, which would be at 100 or 1.32 trillion market cap. You got to think right now, you got to think about where Bitcoin is, right? So let's go ahead and open up another tab here and go over here to CoinGecko. So if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's at 941 million in market cap. In order for Dogecoin to get 1.31 billion or trillion, it'll be all right. I mean, Bitcoin is 941 billion, not million. But yeah, in order for Dogecoin to get to 1.32 trillion, it would have to be a little bit more than Bitcoin. That's why I'm saying it's not possible for Dogecoin to reach 1.32 trillion this year or next year. So most likely 2025, 2020, 30, 2030, 2025, somewhere around there. But we can't expect Dogecoin to hit 1.32 trillion this year when Bitcoin's at 942 billion. So it's just not possible. It's not plausible at all. Like you gotta think about that. But anyways, that's definitely not gonna happen right now. But I do want to go over the Dogecoin technical analysis after we go over this a little bit. So here's the math. The current circulating supply of Dogecoin 131 billion, and that would bring us to 1.32 trillion. So yeah, it definitely won't hit that. So anyways, over here, Dogecoin's success will depend on the success of the whole industry. So the whole crypto industry. So if Bitcoin's doing well, Dogecoin is doing well. S&P 500 is doing well, Bitcoin is doing well. So everything, all the financial markets, they're kind of tied together. As you can see, the second the whole Evergrande thing happened in China, the whole S&P 500 and everything's just started to go down because everything's connected. It's not all one entity. It's all like, or I mean, it is like all one entity, but they're separate parts of the entity. So anyways, let's go over this little technical analysis as we can see here on Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is about to break out huge. We're about to pass 26 cents here, as you can see, and then eventually we can pass, I want to say 27 cents and then possibly even 30 cents inside the near future. So Dogecoin rallied by 8.88%, blah, blah, blah. A choppy start to the day saw Dogecoin with the 21 levels. And that's what we've seen way back here when we've seen these downtrends starting to happen. And that was about right here. We've seen that we started to have a downtrend. And really, that was, if you see the whole downtrend here, this was a bear trap, right? Everyone thought that Dogecoin was about to go down huge. We broke out of this area here. We broke out of our 22-cent support line. And that was pretty much a bear trap. And the second it started to, looked like it was about to tank, that's when it really started to take off, and that's when the bulls started to take over. So as you can see over here at the market control, the bulls are taking over by 80%. In the institutional interest, near 0.22%. We got all this other stuff going on. So there's a lot going on here with Dogecoin, and I'm gonna go over here and scroll to the left a little bit. So as you can see, the second we broke out of this resistance, we started to go on a little bit of a downtrend, came back on a strong uptrend, and it started to go back down on a downtrend here with Dogecoin. And so the supply and demand came all the way down here. And we actually seen it start to go on an uptrend here, we instantly broke out of this resistance here instantly. And then we went back on a little bit of downtrend. That's why I'm saying the next time we break out of our resistance, we're going to be going on another little bit of a downtrend. So as you can see here, we're bringing more candlesticks up here. So we're more than likely going to break this 2650 resistance, but we are going to be followed by a slight downtrend, just like how we did back here. If we follow the same thing to a T, like if we follow this same, the same ideal right here to a T. So if we go up and past the resistance, then retrace a little bit, then yeah, we're going to do the exact same thing we did back there. And it definitely looks like that's what it's about to do. So definitely expect Dogecoin to get 26.50 right now, and then eventually up to 27 cents once we have some more support for the market. We got to remember everything's really following Bitcoin right now, so we got to make sure that we're watching Bitcoin. We got to make sure that we're watching how the stock market's moving and everything, because everything's pretty much tied together. Now over here, you can see Dogecoin fell through the first major support level of 2161, like I showed you back inside of October 4th. And then over here, Dogecoin broke through today's major resistance level of 2438. Now we're heading to our second major resistance level. But anyways, in spite of a pullback, Dogecoin wrapped up the day at 24-cent levels. At the time of writing, Dogecoin was up by 1.59% in 24.54. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning low of 23.95 before rising to a high 24.91. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels, early on untested. So now we are rising. As you can see here, they even have this for you around the same place where I have it. I have it around 2050. They have it around 2060. Or I have it around 2550. 2550. They have it around 2560. So yeah, as you can see over here, this is where we're having it. Now we are heading all the way up here to this 2650 area. So it does look like we're about to have a candlestick here, and we're about to have another green candlestick here forming, and then that's going to be followed by a slight downtrend. So if you actually want to use Vital Algo, it's pretty easy, and it actually integrates itself into TradingView here. As you can see, TradingView is like the top leading thing to watch these technicals, and then Vital Algo is the top leading automated system for technical analysis. So all of this is actually automated. I can actually open up a new Dogecoin one here so you can see, because I still have my Fibonacci retracement and everything that I do on here. But just open up the Dogecoin, the Tether USDT, and then you can see it'll pop up right here in a few seconds here, and boom, everything's all the way all the way automated. Like that was a tongue twister, all the way automated. But anyways, this is definitely going up here, and now we're about to break the resistance. So if you still want to do the Fibonacci retracement, you can just bring it up there. But there's really no need for it because you see that there's a strong uptrend, and then it'll start showing you when there's about to be a downtrend. You'll start to see the green candlesticks kind of starting to break down, and then at the end of the green candlesticks, they'll show you that it's about to be a downtrend. So it's pretty automated, and it's a pretty good platform here to use, and I'm definitely going to be using it a lot now, especially because I'm probably going to be doing some trades, maybe some day trades here and there. But anyways, this is definitely a good way to make sure that you optimize your technical analysis to a T. Now, let's keep going over this little technical analysis here for FX Empire. So as you can see for the day ahead, the 2342 pivot is about to bring our first major resistance, as they say, which we already broke. So the 25-cent level will also be another resistance level. And then over here, 26 cents will be our next, and they'll cap the upside. Like I said, what they mean by cap the upside, we're going to go all the way up there, and it's probably going to get capped out. And that's probably where we're going to start having our little downtrend at. So they say 26 cents. I say 26.50. They say 26 cents, but it's close to each other. But as you can see, it is heading up to 26.50. So I would say 26.50 is more plausible, especially since the bulls are taking over by 80%. So you could probably see it hit 26.50 before it would hit, just stop at 26 cents. We're already above 26 cents. We're at 26.07. So I definitely believe 26.50 is more plausible here for Dogecoin. Now let's keep going on with this. So over here, you can see in the event of a broad-based crypto rally, Dogecoin could test the second major resistance at 2710, and we'll probably see Bitcoin around 50, 51, 52,000 if Dogecoin was to get to 27 cents. And then over here, a fall to the 2342 pivot would bring the first major support if we were to break that. Now, that probably wouldn't happen anytime soon because look at what we're doing with Dogecoin. If we were to retrace after 2650, which we are heading straight to, we're at 2615. 2621. If we're at to go below 2650 after this, we would probably head more or so to 24 cents, and then eventually to 23 cents if the whole crypto market keeps going down. So anyways, this is pretty much what I got for the technical analysis here. Now, something else is formulating in the Dogecoin space. Dogecoin Millionaire booking profits from Shiba Inu to pump Doge. So yeah, Shiba Inu is going crazy, and the Dogecoin Millionaire is trying to get them to invest inside of Dogecoin. Now, as you can see here, Dogecoin Millionaire asks the community to fuel Dogecoin. The development of Dogecoin Ethereum bridge is underway, which is actually about to be pretty big. When this Ethereum bridge comes with Dogecoin, it's going to allow for NFT ecosystem just work effortlessly with Dogecoin. Just think about it. People putting Dogecoin memes and Dogecoin NFTs on OpenSeas, and then once they put it on OpenSea, then they can trade with Dogecoin and buy and sell their NFT with Dogecoin. So that's going to really open up a huge use case for Dogecoin. That's really going to help out the whole Dogecoin army right here. So anyways, Dogecoin Millionaire actually people to buy in Doge, I guess is big news right now because, Sheep is going crazy. So the more people who come from Sheep to Doge, that would be good for us. But anyways, Dogecoin price prediction could fly about 40%. Like I was saying, 30 cents is really on the horizon right here with Dogecoin. It could really happen very soon. And the daily chart shows that Dogecoin price has been in a tight range in the past few weeks. The price is still about 65% below its all-time high. It is also slightly above the important support of 15 cents, they say. So anyways, 35 cents is what they're predicting it to hit. So anyways, 35 cents, like that's pretty big right there. So I'm saying right now, if you want to invest in Dogecoin, it's probably one of the best times. And like I said, look, we're really heading towards 2650 right now. And that's where I had the Fibonacci retracement level. If we just go right back here and then go to the Binance US, the USD, and look, it's heading right towards the 2650 resistance. And actually the second we hit that 2650 resistance, we're probably going to get rejected just a little bit. And probably retrace down a little bit. So anyways, as you can see, this is all automated. So it's definitely vital that you check out Vital Algo, But anyways, definitely check that out. There's some good stuff going on over there. And over here is Dogecoin token ready to regain its bullish loss. So I hate whenever they call it Dogecoin token. It's just Dogecoin. It's not Dogecoin token. It's just Dogecoin. But anyways, shout out to the market periodical for this article. But it's just Dogecoin. It's not Dogecoin token. But yeah, is Dogecoin ready to regain its lost bullish momentum? Most definitely is. And they pretty much have the same analysis as me, except I say 2650. We're probably going to get capped. They say 2695. And as you can see, we're about to break 2650 right now. We're at 2647. But the reason why I say 2650 is because look at these candlesticks. We're probably about to get some green candlesticks that start to go down, and then we'll finally hit that downtrend a little bit. Now, it might or might not happen like that, but either way, this is the direction we're going. Even if we do get the 2690, we're still going to, come back for a little bit of a reversal. So definitely watch out for that. And now we are breaking the 2650 level. So we're actually heading above our resistance here. So that's actually pretty good news here at Dogecoin. But like I said, we could be getting a little bit of a reversal here. So definitely watch that out, because look, the second we broke the resistance down here, the chance of a reversal started to become prevalent. And then as you can see, we had a little reversal on a little bit of a downtrend, but it was a tiny downtrend. And then it led us to where we are now. And now, as you can see, we're starting to have a little reversal now, 2635. So probably going to go back on a little reversal here and then a downtrend. So that's definitely something you want to watch out for. And anyways, if you do want to use Vital Algo, definitely check out the link in the description, because look, it's all automated here for us and it definitely helps out a lot. But yeah, Dogecoin is bullish and it's not Dogecoin token, it's just Dogecoin. But yeah, if you do like the video though, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And on top of that, check out the links in the description. You already know it. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.